Ilang foreign workers sa mga piling sektor ang lumilipat daw ng trabaho matapos makuha ang permanent residency nila sa Canada, ayon sa isang bagong ulat ng Statistics Canada. Ang detalye at posibleng dahilan sa report ni Teresa Redula.
Let's be truthful, ang ibang mga TFWs naman talaga, they use this low-skilled job as their stepping stone to get into the labor market of Canada.
Mahalaga ang papel ng mga temporary foreign worker para punan ang kakulangan ng mga manggagawa sa Canada, lalo na para sa mga lower-paying sectors. Pero ayon sa report na inilabas ng Statistics Canada Miyerkules, nakitang marami sa kanila ang lumilipat na ng ibang trabaho o ibang industriya matapos makuha ang kanilang permanent residency.
From being non-permanent resident to becoming permanent resident, at least for the first year, they continue with the sector. However, over a 5-year period, you see that their retention is lower. They move on to different careers, different sectors.
Sa datos ng ahensya, 3 sa bawat 4 na lower-skilled workers ang lumilipat ng trabaho sa ibang industriya 1 taon matapos maging permanent resident. Halos kalahati naman ng mga TFW sa agricultural programs ang lumilipat din ng trabaho sa ibang industriya. At sa lahat ng work permit programs, pinakamababa ang retention rate ng mga manggagawa sa live-in caregiver programs.
They are being paid below decent wages, they're separated from their families, they're denied healthcare. So these conditions are unlivable for any human being, and people are only doing them because they're coerced to do so. They're coerced to do so because they don't have permanent resident status.
Nakita ring mas mababa pa sa 25% ang retention rate sa real estate, waste management at remediation services. Ayon sa immigration consultant, posibleng nananatili sa ganitong trabaho ang mga migrante para pasok sila sa labor market habang tinatahak ang permanent residency.
Hindi nakakagulat na after becoming PR, this mga low-skilled occupations na workers, they tend to leave their employer to find some better condition jobs. Mga permanent residency pathway in Canada, if we are talking about economic immigration, halos lahat ng ito kailangan ng Canadian experience, at least Canadian experience, maybe in order to improve your points or maybe in order to become eligible sa specific program. So it is very important na meron kang employer, number one, meron kang employer na magsusupport sa PR application mo, and number 2, na meron kang prior experience to gain more points or to get an advantage sa immigration program na gusto mong kunin.
Samantala, mas mataas daw ang posibilidad na manatili sa parehong sektor ang mga nagtatrabaho sa utilities, healthcare at social assistance at sa finance at insurance matapos maging permanent resident.
What we're calling the federal government to do is to ensure permanent resident status for all migrants in the country. We're asking for an economic management program that ensures decent work in all industries, job matching so immigrants can actually work in the jobs that they need to.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.